Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today, I just wanted to do something nice and simple, and I wanted to use these iridescent paints that I have here from a while ago. Alright, so basically, yeah, what we're going to do now, we're gonna lay down these iridescent paints in puddle pour style here. Then we're going to take that giant marble there, and we're just going to run through it. But first, we do need to go through these colors really quickly. Let me get the marble out of the way. I love these marbles so much. I really do. Let's put the marble over here. Oh, I'm very tired today, guys. Just have to tell you. So hopefully this will be a nice quick one for us. All right, let's like I said, these are all iridescents, and this is that Nic Pro brand that you know from watching videos that I'm really not a big fan of. They are very strong, and I can smell them right now. They're so strong. All right, let's start over here, guys. This first one is iridescent black. All right, very easy. This is iridescent phthalo green. All right, this one is iridescent copper. Then next we just have iridescent gold. Very easy. We have iridescent silver, and let's finish it up over here with the iridescent white. And like I said, that's it. Very easy, all iridescents, all Nic Pro. We're going to go right into this really quickly because we don't have to come out. We're just going to lay those puddles down. We're going to put the marble in, and everybody knows what we're going to do next. We're going to go with some nice music. And guys, I will see you all on the other side. Let's go. All right, let's come down with this, guys. Woo! Oh, I gotta avoid that marble over there. Wow. All right, there we go. Oh, I love it. Now, I did make these paints very, very thick. And it's a good thing I did because it held up very, very well. Held up very well to the multiple passes I did with that marble. I was just having so much fun. And I really was loving the patterns in there. I do have one problem. While making these paints so thick and letting them sit, they did actually clump up a little. There is little pieces in there. And I personally hate that. Luckily, the good thing about having those little chunks in there, it's just little details, and these are abstract paintings, so it's not the worst thing when that happens, because it does give, like I said, it adds a little bit of texture in there, which normally wouldn't be there. I mean, if you want to go with a super thin sheen look, I guess that's great, but sometimes there is little bumps in there. That's fine. I'm going to leave it because I do like this design a lot, and I love these iridescents. That white in there, for some reason, it's not really iridescent. It's very milky looking. I'm very kind of... I don't think I've ever really used it before, because I really don't like these paints. You guys know that. Right now, I'm actually can't wait to wash these off because these paints are very strong. I feel like they're very chemical, and I really always never tell you to go buy these paints. I would never say, Nic Pro, don't buy Nic Pro. I'm just using them up because that's what I have, and I really wanted to get this really out of the way because this is really nice iridescence. All right. Again, I can chat you up, but we have to torch. And I'm so tired. It's always so late. Just a quick torch today. Like I said, there's so many little bumps in here. But I'm going to leave them in there because this is abstract work anyway. And little textures. It's fine. I'm sure somebody finds that appealing. And I really do like the patterns that the marble gave us. Alright. That's dead. Here we go. Alright, everyone. I'm going to go with those close-ups. I'm going to give you the wet. I'm going to give you the dry. You get to see what they look like. And again, big thank you for hanging out. I'm very sorry today. I feel like I'm not super energetic today, but it's okay. I want to get through this nice little pour. I do love doing little marble rolls. They're very easy, and I love them so much. And with all that being said, big thank you to you guys. You know that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.